It's Friday, November the 9th. Good evening. I'm your anchor for tonight's news, Ms. Diana DiCaprio.
And I'm Iman De Niro, your co-anchor.
You're watching the Stock
Biz News.
First, we are going to look at the stock market in Japan. Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 were down 247.78 points to close at 22,250.25. The highest recorded for the week is at 22,583.43 and lowest at 21,865.98. The total volume as at 9th November is 78,100. Let us hear it from Yase, who has prepared in a report about one of the stock in Nikkei 225.
I'm reporting live here in Tokyo, Tokyo Stock Exchange. So today I will talk about the Toyota Motor Corporation. They are the Japanese parent company of the Toyota Group. They are the largest automobile manufacturer in the world since 2018. The company was founded in 1983 and is headquartered in Toyota, Japan. Toyota Motor Corporation manufactures, assembles and sells passenger vehicles, minivans and commercial vehicles and also related parts of accessories. It operates through automotive, financial services and all other segments. Toyota Motor Corporation Market Index previous close starts at 6,686 and then they close at 6,696 yen. They gain 10 points and in terms of percentage they gain 0.15% and in traded volume they gain 4,920,600 yen. That's all from me, reported live in Tokyo.
The performance of Toyota Motor Corporation stocks fall as investors remain cautious amid trade tensions between China and US. President Donald Trump and Xi Jinping are expected to meet at G20 summit in Argentina. At this moment, it is not advisable to buy Toyota stocks as their performance in the upcoming weeks is uncertain. Now let's move on to the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange KLSE. The benchmark index for KLSE, FPM KLCI, dropped 11.98 points to close at 1,708.09 on 9th November. The market opens at 1,720.07 on Monday. The highest recorded for the week is 1,726.10 and lowest at 1,699.60. Let us talk to our reporter Amir Hamzah on how the market in KLSE is doing this week.
Greetings everyone, I'm Hamzah, reporting on Petronas Gas Berhad from Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. Petronas Gas Berhad is a subsidiary of Petronas, Malaysian National Oil Corporation. The company is established in 1985 and is listed on main market of Bursa Saham Malaysia on 4 September 1995. Petronas is Malaysia's leading gas infrastructure and utilities company with core business in gas processing and utilities or GPU and gas transmission and regasification or GTR. Petronas Gas Berhad is operating from its headquarters in Petronas Twin Tower in Kuala Lumpur. Next, we're going to look at the market performance of PGB. PGB closed 32 cents higher at RM18.76 ringgit. The counter previous close is at 18.70 ringgit, with highest is at 18.82 ringgit and lowest at 18.50 cent. The total traded share value for PGB this week is around RM22,634,784 ringgit. So that's all from me. I'm Hamzah reporting from Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange.
The performance of Petronas Gas Berhad is showing a stable growth throughout this week. Investors should invest in this stock because the company is doing well so far for the year 2018 and expected to continue this trend. For stockholder of PGB, hold your stock tight because the value will be worth more in upcoming weeks and months. Now, let's focus on market in United States of America. The benchmark for New York Stock Exchange NYSE CI gained 155.84 points this week. The market opened at 12,381.69 on 5th November and closed at 12,537.53 on 9th November. Highest recorded at 12,682.06 and lowest at 12,368.19. The volume traded for NYSE on Friday is at 4,019,090,000. Now let us hear it from Ms. Iman, who has prepared in a report about one of the stock in NYSE.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Iman. I'm reporting live from New York Stock Exchange. And today I'm going to be profiling a big oil company called ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil engages in the exploration, distribution and development of oil, gas and petroleum. And it operates through three segments which are upstream, downstream and chemical. Recently, oil prices are on the decline. Prices for the WTI, which is the grade of crude oil used as a benchmark in oil pricing, fell to $60 on Thursday. The recent slump in prices is a major downturn due to the strong demand session for crude oil and gasoline. Now we will look at the market performance of ExxonMobil from 5th November to 9 November. ExxonMobil Corporation or XOM index lost 0.16 points or 0.2% on Friday. The market traded within a range of 0.61 points between an intraday trade of 80.87 and a low of 80.26 during the session. The 52-week range on the stock is $72 to $89.20. Actively traded stocks include CVS, RDS.D or Royal Dutch Shell and COP. Trading volume increased to 117.2%, shares worth $14.2 billion. XOM closed lower at 80.71 cents and more overnight flat performance in US market. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Iman, for the information. If investors are looking for a good value in the oil and gas industry, then ExxonMobil should be on their list. The yield is currently at the highest since 1990s, which is 4%. And if you are a long-term income investor, collecting the stock's 4% yield while you wait for ExxonMobil to execute on its growth plan will be a great deal. Now, let's move on to Nasdaq Stock Performance Index in US stock market. The market dropped 15.23 points. Nasdaq opens on 5th November at 7,344.08 and closed at 7,328.85 on 9th November. Highest recorded this week is 7,572.93 and lowest is at 7,255.88. The traded volume is 2.41849 billion. Let us move to our reporter in United States, Mr. Arif, for further information on Starbucks Corporation.
Hello everyone, I'm Arif, reporting live from Nasdaq headquarters, New York City. This is the report for Starbucks Corporation. Starbucks is the premier roaster, marketer and retailer of specialty coffee in the world, operating in 75 countries, formed in 1985. Starbucks Global Select Market under the symbol SPUX. They purchase and roast high-quality coffees that come along with handcraft coffee, tea aerate, and beverage and a variety of high-quality food items, include snack offering through company-operated store. Next, we will look at the market performance of Starbucks Corporation for this week. As at 5 November, the opening stock is $63.93 and the closing stock is $68.60. The changes is negative 0.12, which is 0.70%, and the total volume traded is $8,627,900. Thank you. I'm Arif, reporting live from Nasdaq headquarters, New York City, United States of America.
Thank you, Mr. Arif, for the information. The performance of Starbucks Corp are in a good condition with a steady increase in price from 5th to 9th November and maintaining it until the ending week. So it is recommended to invest in Starbucks Corp stock for the next following weeks. Lastly, we move to stock market in India. The National Stock Exchange of India increased 26.45 points to close at 10,585.20. The market opens on Monday at 10,558.75. Highest recorded this week is at 10,619.55, while lowest is at 10,477. The total volume for NSE on 9th November is 254,600. Now, let us move to our reporter in India, Ms. Dania, for further information on Madras Rubber Factory.
Namaste. My name is Noor Dania and I'm reporting live from National Stock Exchange of India in Mumbai for Rubber Factory Limited. Madras Rubber Factory Limited is commonly known as MRF. It is an Indian multinational and the largest manufacturer in the world. It is headquartered in Chennai, India, and the company manufactures rubber products including tires, threads, tubes, and belts and toys. Next, I'm going to talk about market performance of MRF. The MRF index gained 735.06 points on 1.12% on Friday. The market traded within a range of 1988.85 points between an intraday high of 66,502 and a low of 64,513.15 during the session. Actively traded stocks include Apollo, Tyres Limited, Bridgestone Corp, and JK Tyres and Industries Limited. Trading volume increased to 1,379%, shares worth 10.7 thousand. The MRF closed at 65,807 points.
Thank you, Ms. Danya, for the information. MRF's annual earnings growth rate has been positive over the last few years with an average rate of 13.6%, beating the industry growth rate of 12.67%. It has also returned ROE of 11.62% recently, above the market return of 9.84%.
MRF's strong performance over time is a demonstration of its ability to grow through cycles, raising investors' confidence in the company as a long-term investment. That is all from us. Have a good weekend and thank you for tuning in to
Stock Biz News.